Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am in my mom's room because my room is being occupied by my brother. He's in doing online schooling and honestly it is a nightmare. I literally cannot film comfortably. Is that a word? I'm not sure. But I cannot film good there because I have to be kicking him out and it's a drag. So I'm like, my mom's room is available. I'm just gonna come and bring all my stuff here and film. So today we're going to be using the new KVD Vegan Beauty The Good Apple Foundation. This is a foundation balm, skin perfecting foundation balm. I had to buy this and I'm excited. The thing about this is I'm doubting the color. Like, I am doubting the color. So I'm here in my mom's room. The lighting is different. I only have my ring light and the window so you guys can see how my skin is looking. I am a little concerned. I'm not going to lie. I am concerned. So we're going to try this out. But first, before I try it out, I am going to go in and put some moisturizer on today. I'm going to be using this. This is the Wishful Honey Balm. I used it yesterday and I really liked it for the first time. So I'm going to go ahead and use it today. We're going to just moisturize. This says that it has lavender, honey, niacinamide, and turmeric, which is really good. I love lavender, you guys. Like, I love lavender. So I'm gonna go in with this and it looks really cool. Just wanted you guys to see it there. I'm just gonna go in and moisturize my face. If you have dry skin, I highly recommend moisturizing your face and make sure that you're using SPF. I forgot to put SPF today, so don't judge me, but I really recommend you guys using it. If you guys really want a good one, I recommend the Pacifica one. That one's really good. So if you guys are looking into SPF lotions, Pacifica, the collagen vegan, is it the vegan collagen one? Yeah, that one's really good. Okay, now that this is done, I'm gonna go in with my primer, and today I'm going to be using the All Nighter face primer. I like this primer a lot, but since it is a hydrating foundation, I kind of don't want to add more hydrating stuff. I feel like the foundation is going to do its job. I just feel that's my thing. I am going to try to do a wear test today. I have a lot of things going on today. I have to do some orders for my little shop. I'm doing these little crystal rings just in case you guys are new to my channel. I do these handmade, so I do like a lot of crystal rings. I also did this necklace right here. So I'm going to be doing some orders and shipping them out today. Because I am going to be taking a break on March 24th to like April 2nd. So I won't be taking orders during that time. So I'm trying to ship them out before I have to leave. Anyways, what am I doing? So I'm gonna have to do some orders and then I'm gonna go get a haircut, you guys. I am so excited. So maybe later on in the mid video, you guys are gonna see my hair reveal as well. I'm so excited. I haven't gotten a haircut in so long and I need it so bad. And I'm excited. I'm really excited. I've been waiting for like a whole month to get this haircut. So we're going to go in now with the Good Apple. I got it like this and it looks like this. I'm concerned about the color because I was going in with the foundation that I used to use on myself before. And honestly, I'm confused because I feel like, and I don't want to return it because I already touched it and I just feel like that's wrong for me to return even though I touched it. It looks like this. And I got medium 54. I'm assuming this is my color, but it's weird because when I'm in my room, the color seems good. So I'm assuming and I'm wondering how it's going to look here. I'm going to put the price here and I'm going to put the link down below just in case you guys want to buy it or check it out. But I'm really intrigued with this foundation balm. I did do like a little swatch to see. Like I said, in my room it seemed fine, but I was like, you know what? I'm going to just go all in with concealer, powder, and everything on my channel. So we're gonna do that today. I'm gonna grab a brush here. I'm gonna go in with this Milk makeup brush and we're just gonna kind of do this and we're gonna go ahead and go in, and I'm a little concerned, but we'll see. I'm like different colors. Do you guys see that? Like, I don't know if it's gonna oxidize differently. That's where I'm like, you know, but wow, the coverage, like, a lot goes a long way. Like, do you guys see that? Let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think of the color? Do you feel like it is my shade? I highly recommend just kind of blending it in very nicely all the way down. So I haven't dipped back in because I really want to see how much coverage I can get with that one swipe. And I want to just make sure that I'm like blending it in all the way. I don't know how it would work with a beauty blender. I haven't used a beauty blender in a while. But so far with this brush, I feel like it's going really nice. I'm gonna just blend it in all the way because I'm not trying to look really weird like my face and my neck. But so far, you guys, do you guys see that? Like, it literally looks so good. I'm impressed. I don't know how it's going to wear out. Like I said, I have to go get a haircut, so I'm gonna be wearing my mask, and we know how that goes with the masks, you know. Like, I don't know how it's going to work, but I love KVD Vegan Beauty products. I've been using their foundation for so long. You guys know I used to get PR from them, but not anymore, which is perfectly fine because I'm still gonna try to use their products because I just like them so much. But you guys, this is like really nice. You guys see the coverage? Like I said, I have to go all the way in with my neck and just add a little bit in my hair as well, but it looks really good. I feel like if I blend it in very nicely, and then adding concealer might make a huge difference. So I'm gonna go in with concealer. I'm gonna be using my Stay Naked concealer, and we're going to be adding this on and make it not look so dark on me because I actually like the formula so far, and I feel like it's going to look really good. So now I'm gonna go in and blend the concealer because I am a little concerned with the shade color, of course. Like, I feel like it's a little bit too dark for me, to be honest. I wish I can go a little lighter, and I'm a little sad about that. I'm gonna have to like really fix this and try to, like, you know, maybe add a little bit of concealer down here so it doesn't look too dark, you know, kind of like fix that. So I'm gonna just kind of blend that in here. Okay, so far it looks like this. I don't know how it's looking on camera. I can't really see myself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just kind of put a little bit of powder under. I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Bake Powder, and we're just going to make sure we get the under eye because mine eye crease. So we're just gonna go ahead and just cover this under eye bag situation. I actually don't hate it. I like it a lot. The only thing for me is the color. I wish I would have gone a little lighter. It's weird because I do have different shades. My arms darker, my neck's lighter, my legs are so pale. I need some sun in those legs. But other than that, like, I don't hate the color. I like it. Like I said, I'm gonna go in with some blush, some bronzer, other stuff that I like to put on my face, and I'll be back to just let you guys know my final thoughts after all of this is done. Okay, so far this is how the makeup is looking. I want to show you guys really quick how it's looking with the blush, the powders, the bronzer thing that I did on myself, and I really like, you guys, it looks really nice and hydrated. I'm not having any problem when it comes to the coverage. I feel like the coverage is really nice. I like it a lot so far. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back, and this is how the face is looking. I actually really like it, you guys. I don't hate it. Like I said, the color is the one thing that I'm a little iffy about. Other than that, the formula seems really nice. It seems very hydrating. It worked really well with my normal blush. I did use the e.l.f. putty blush, and I like to use my Maybelline, this little concealer. I use it in the shade Cafe, and I like to use it like for contouring. And I did use the Lunar Beauty Moon Prism blush palette, and so far, you guys, everything seems fine. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys in more lighting so you guys can see it. The lighting in here is pretty good, but I want to show you guys how it looks in the sun and how the finish is looking so far, because I said I am going to be doing check-ins with you guys. So let's just go ahead and show you guys a little bit more lighting and stuff. Okay, so this is how it's looking in the sun. I feel like it's looking really nice. Like, the finish is very skin-like. As you guys can tell, I didn't even put powder here. I didn't basically put powder anywhere here, which I'm going to because I am going to go do my hair. And I feel like the mask is going to be a problem. A big problem when it comes to this whole situation going on. But other than that, like, it's looking really nice. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think. So far right now it's 10 in the morning. And I'm going to get my haircut at 3:30 in the morning. I have 3:30 in the morning. I have to be there at 3:30. So far this is how it's looking. So yeah, I'll be checking with you guys in later so you guys can see how it's going throughout the day. And yeah. Okay, it is like 12:30 and this is how my face is looking so far. I am gonna go to the post office right now to send out some packages. So I'll show you guys a little update when I put my mask on. Well, actually when I take it off, you know. But yeah, so far so good. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think so far. Let it go now. I also want to show you guys a little bit right here so you guys can see. Like my skin tone right here is lighter. As you can tell, my hand is darker and my face looks a little bit more yellow. Like I said, it's a foundation color. It's a little off on me. I wish I had a lighter one, at least a tad bit lighter, just lighter. But yeah, so far so good. Okay, so the lighting's a little weird. I just came back from the post office. Well, I'm in my car outside the post office. So I want to show you guys, I am wearing my mask. This is a Get Stoned mask. It looks really, really nice in the sun. I'm going to show you guys a little clip on it, so you guys can see. And I will have a link on the description box if you guys want to buy the mask. You can use code YADI MUA for 10% off if you guys are interested. But first, the reveal of this mask situation with the foundation. So obviously it's gonna start taking some of it off, but I feel like it's there still. I mean, the lighting's really bad. But you can kind of see that it's still obviously there. It does come off a little bit on the nose, of course. You can see that I took some off there, but it's not looking bad on this whole little section here. My mask inside looks so bad. Don't judge me, because I know you guys don't have clean masks either when you guys wear makeup, if you wear any. So let me show you guys really quick the mask, because I want to show you guys really quick how the mask looks in the sun. So this is the mask, the Get Stoned mask. I am obsessed. This is the one that Ariana Grande used for her rehearsal with Lady Gaga. I love this so much. If you guys want it, like I said, you guys can use my code YADIMUA, and I will have, of course, the link down below if you guys want to purchase any other mask. She has a bunch of colors, so if you guys are interested, I highly recommend this. And I'm telling you guys, this is literally with no flash, so this is how it starts looking when you're walking outside. Okay, I think that's it for my little promotion for this. Even though this is not sponsored, I just want to tell you guys about this mask because it's so freaking cute. So far, that is going to be it for right now. The next time you'll see me, I'm gonna have a new haircut, which I am so excited for. Really excited for, like, the little hair reveal. I'm nervous but excited. Very excited, mostly because I'm scared. I'm gonna get, like, should I tell you guys? I don't think I'm gonna tell you guys. I'm gonna just let you guys wait and see. I'm excited. Okay, you guys, so this is the hair reveal. I got, like, curtain bangs, very shaggy for right now. I might go with bangs next time, but I really like my haircut. I am obsessed. But the first thing we're gonna talk about now, it is the foundation. The foundation did not do that well up here because my hairstylist was obviously touching my forehead whenever she was getting, like, the bangs. But I feel like it did a good job in this little section here. The lighting's really bad. This little section here is not that bad, but obviously the nose is off. But I don't think it did that bad. Honestly, I have a lot of creasing going on under my eye. I always do, but it's not that bad. It's not. So I really like it. I think we already saw what the foundation can do, so I'm going to be ending the video here for you guys. I love the formula. The application was so good. I actually really liked it, and now with my new haircut, I like it even more. Sorry, I just haven't gotten a haircut in so long, and I really needed it. But the foundation was good. It's up to you guys if you guys want to try it. I feel like it is really hydrating and matte at the same time. Super, super good. I like it. Obviously, the color is what's a little iffy, but I think I'll continue using it. I'm just that kind of person that I'll just use it. If anything, I'll just put some concealer, make it work. But yeah, I really liked it. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think of the foundation. Will you guys try it? Will you guys not? Let me know. And what do you guys think of the rebranding of KBD Vegan Beauty? Let me know in the comments below. And what do you guys think of my new haircut? Let me know. Let me know. What do you guys think? Should I get bangs? Should I not get bangs? I kind of want to get it like this more. I don't know. Also, if you guys want to shop my crystal rings and my crystal necklaces, I do have a sale going on right now. If you guys are watching the video when I post the video, I do have a sale going on. It is going to end on Saturday. I think tomorrow is the 20th, so it's going to be ending there. So if you guys want to get anything, I would highly recommend getting it now and try to get anything before March 24, before that day, if you guys want to get it shit before that, because I am going to be taking a break. So that is the end of the video, you guys. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, want to be part of my little family, make sure you guys are subscribed and hit that bell notification to know when I post another video. And if you guys are not following me on my Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, make sure you guys are following me there. I'm always posting there. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.